You've heard it here before, and I'll say it again. Exposed shackles suck. If your application allows for a hidden shackle lock, like a block lock, hockey puck, or custom pack lock, do it. But when that's not an option and your customer needs a shackled padlock, it's time to rethink what you stock. I'm BWAUGH with PACLOCK, and today on the Locksmith Series, we're showing you how to stop wasting money on stocking shrouded and non-shrouded versions of the same padlock, and how PAC-SHIELD helps you reduce overhead while offering a smarter upgrade for exposed shackle padlocks. Here's the issue. Most locksmiths are still stocking separate SKUs for shrouded and non-shrouded padlocks. You're wasting shelf space, tying up dollars in slow-moving inventory, and buying into a model that just doesn't work anymore. The PAC-SHIELD flips that old stocking model on its head. Because let's face it, fully shrouded padlocks are expensive and only fit a small number of jobs. Most locksmiths don't even stock them at all. PACLOCK gives you another option. You stock our 1, 2, or 3 series padlocks, the most common shackle sizes in the market. Then, you keep a few PAC-SHIELDs on hand for when customers want shrouded protection. You slide the PAC-SHIELD on, secure the tab down with a hammer, and you're done. That's it. One lock, one simple upgrade. Made to install on the spot, right there on the job. No disassembly, no special tools, no downtime. Here's where it turns into a sale. A customer walks in asking for a UCS 1A for their gate in a high traffic area. It's a great lock, but you walk them through the high risks of exposed shackle padlocks. Then, you introduce the PAC-SHIELD as a quick, effective upgrade for added shrouded protection. From there, you walk them through the rest of PACLOCK's lineup. Now they're leaving with one key and multiple locks that offer smarter, innovative protection. And yes, it's still fully rekeyable. PACLOCK's PAC-SHIELD installs without compromising rekeying compatibility. So, when it's time to change keys, just remove the padlock from your application and rekey it like any other shackled PACLOCK. Same process, no extra steps. Let's talk about materials, because not all shrouded padlocks are created equal. Some companies slap a plastic coating over the lock and call it high security. We've seen those coatings cut or melted off with a gas station lighter and a bad attitude. PACLOCK doesn't play that game. The PAC-SHIELD is built from 304 stainless steel, the same high-grade material we use in our toughest lock bodies. It's not just durable. It stands up to grinders, laughs at rust, and keeps performing long after cheaper coatings fail. This isn't cosmetic protection, it's real armor for your lock. The bottom line, if you're still stocking separate locks for shrouded and non-shrouded setups, stop. The PAC-SHIELD gives you one lock that can handle both. It's an affordable, field-ready upgrade that helps you move product faster, support your customers better, and protect what matters. This has been BWAUGH at PACLOCK, and for all your locksmiths out there, I've got your 6.